We need 2 lemons. Cut the lemons into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. Cut the lemon peels into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add cinnamon stick. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Add mint leaves. Mix it well. Cover the mixture for 15 minutes. Strain it. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days and you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.